As you all know by now, I am not your average breed. I am from the stars above. Wink wink, DevontayStarz. And for the souls who don't know me, my favorite colors are white, blue, and chrome. As in color combinations. With that being said, I thought this right here was the perfect chair. It was blue, white, but the thing is, it didn't have a footrest. And look at those arms. They look like pickaxes for arms, and they're black. It just throws off the whole vibe. And the thing is, with black objects, it makes you think darker, and it just makes you feel closed in. With brighter colors, makes you feel more alive and open and more efficient. I went on Amazon, Google, all these different chair sites, these gaming chairs. The thing is, some companies did have a white and blue chair, but they didn't have the slanted armrest that I wanted. I didn't want these pickaxe looking armrests. I know they're adjustable and everything, but it doesn't go with the futuristic vibe that I'm looking for. And don't forget, I'm also looking for a footrest. Why? Because I'm the type of person that likes to kind of lean back too and play. And I'm very picky with what I'm looking for. Some seats look too thin on the actual cushions. So for those of you that are looking for a gaming chair, make sure you compare every single image to gaming chairs that you want to buy. With that being said, I searched and searched for days, weeks, and months for a perfect gaming chair with footrest, futuristic armrests, pillows included, and the most comfort for the best price. And I didn't see one darn thing at all.
Until I came across
That's right, folks, you heard it here. This company had two chairs I really loved. One was so futuristic, looked like it was made for aliens. My world. The sad, unfortunate part is, it had the freaking pickaxe armrest and no freaking leg rest. You fools!
Fools!
But I came across another chair. Way more comfort, more features, curved armrest too. The only freaking downside is, as you see, they have no blue and white, just stupid blue and black. But as you see, they have pink and white for a chair color. I was done searching. I have came to an conclusion that this is a winner. I purchased it. The satisfaction begins.
Huh?
This kind. Make sure the bottle cap says chrome at the top.
Jasper.
The part that holds you up, and you set the chair down, you're on top, so it goes down like this, and when you put the chair up, it goes up. But as you see, we can only paint to here. So what you want to do is put all these down, take the base one, then paint them. here's before and after of this. This is some really good hard plastic. Like, it's hard plastic.
You were made out of plastic, fake.
Yo, Alex, you lighten up.
Summer, you so icy.
Listen, come here. Shut your stupid ass up. Say that, folks. What is your dumb ass say it?
Few moments later.
Bang! Out of all them hours and all that painting, we finally got our chair customized and painted to our liking. And now that all that work is out of the way, and now old squeaky chair is out of the room, let's talk about the new chair and its features. Starting with the pros. This chair has an amazing logo stitching, comes with lumbar support pillow, and it's adjustable. Also includes a neck/head pillow, which you could take off and put back on if you wish, with just a buckle. I'm proud to say, the most comfortable feature on this chair is its 155 degrees reclining back piece with pull-out leg rests. I mean, it feels just like a recliner. All you have to do is walk up to the chair, take a seat, get comfy, pull the lever like you would on a recliner to go back, and you're relaxing. Only thing that will slow you 10 seconds down to that relaxation is every time that you want your feet up, you will have to manually pull out the footrest. But that's easy. About 2 weeks owning this chair, the cushion still feels nice and squishy, but firm. But I must mention, over time, reclining and over will loosen the arms, which brings us to our cons. Ayy! Which is not a bad con, it's very small. Every 5 to 10 times or so you recline, over time the arms will start to loosen.
Wider.
But wait, hold up. All you really gotta do is the easiest thing in the world. Really all you gotta do is keep that tool that it came with nearby, and then just tighten up that puppy up. Get it nice and tight. And that will make it last another 5 to 10 reclines. Aha! Con number 2. Well, it's mostly, almost, mainly my fault. Is the paint. Don't get me wrong, the paint stays, and I recommend anyone who is wanting to paint the chair or clicked on this video to paint their chair, if you wish, I still highly recommend painting this chair. But here's the catch. At the current time of this recording and the time of painting this chair, I was in a rush to enjoy it and get this video out to the world to see. But you need some type of polish or paint protector so the paint doesn't rub off onto the white leather. But if you have one of them black gaming chairs, you should be fine, I guess. Just do your research and make sure you get the right stuff. With that being said, if you just put on the leather paint and the spray paint, you should be fine. Only when it gets super hot or yourself gets super sweaty and hot, the paint will transfer onto your skin and might slightly rub off to the white leather. As you see here, at least it's better than that old squeaky chair. Let me just bring it out again, shall we? Never mind about that. Okay. I give this chair a 9 out of 10 rating, and the only freaking reason I didn't give it a 10 out of 10 is because they all freaking make black and blue chairs. Where's the freaking white and blue? Everything's freaking black! You fools!
Fools.